Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, something a little bit lovely for you. 2011 on an 11 plate Mercedes-Benz E350 3-litre CDI. It's the Sport Edition 125, 4 doors, finished in Palladium silver metallic, and it's covered 74,000 miles. So we'll have a good look round. It's a 3-owner car. Current gentleman has owned the car since 2017. 74,000 miles, 7-speed automatic gearbox, 265 brake horsepower. The car comes with a comprehensive service history, 8 services recorded in total, the majority of which at the main dealer. We also have a large file for work that's been done, so brakes, tyres. You can see on the rear here it's had Pirelli P0s quite recently. AMG alloy wheels that are in super condition. Look at that. Lovely, lovely car. It's got plenty of added options, of which I'll try and go through shortly when we have a look at the interior. With the spec, the price as new was just over £41,000. Road tax on these E350s is £240 a year. And you should get 50 miles to the gallon on a good run. So you do get front and rear parking sensors. Of course, you get the running lights. And as we take a look inside, the sun's gone in just at the right time. Not scuffed, no marks. Seats are in great order. Now these are the upgraded leather seats with the contrast white stitching. Super condition bolsters, really, really good. They are electronically adjustable. They're also heated. Door cards, again, very nice. Electric windows all round. Electrically adjustable door mirrors, they're also power folding. As we come inside, you've got your automatic lights, foot brake release, and you do get 2 remote keys that come with the car as well. Onto the steering wheel, which is a flat bottom steering wheel. Really looks lovely. You've got controls for the Bluetooth, voice recognition, and on the other side you've got controls for the trip computer. Centre armrest that pull the button and springs up in the middle. Inside you get a couple of cup holders and a media point as well. So we'll jump inside. You do get the cruise control and speed limiter, flappy paddle on the gearbox, and there's your gearbox controls, 7-speed automatic, like I say. So we come down. You don't really want to see my trainers. You've got your little dial there that you can control the multimedia. So it's got the command sat nav, which was an expensive option, over £2,000 option. And you also get the Bluetooth, of course, so you can scroll through to whatever you want. Down below you've got, I'll switch the car on and then you can see the climate control and so on, which should come up down here. So controls the radio, CD, Bluetooth, heated seats in the front, like I say, and you do have dual zone climate as well. And there's the mileage, 74297. So 9-year-old car, so plenty below the average mileage. I've got to say, it is a lovely, lovely place to sit. Seats are superb. It does feel like you could go cruising across Europe and not be too bothered when you get there. Into the back, theme continues. Again, lovely and clean. It does have the AMG carpet mats and they run throughout. They're also in the front as well. Three proper seat belts in the back, so you can comfortably sit 5. Does of course have the ISOFIX for the child seats. And round to the boot. Super space, locking wheel nut. You do get another compartment down below, so a little bit more room, and it does also have a space saver spare wheel as well, which I won't try and dig out for you now, but it is there. And there we have it. 2011 on an 11 plate. What does this guy want? 2011 on an 11 plate Mercedes-Benz E350 Sport Edition, 3-litre turbo diesel, 265 brake horsepower, 74,000 miles, 2 former keepers, and a comprehensive service history. The car will come supplied with a brand new MOT. We will also be servicing the car, and that will include replacement of the brake pads and discs all round. So the brake discs were advised on the last MOT. We'll be replacing the whole lot. And the car does also come with 2 remote keys and our standard 6-month in-house warranty. The car's priced at £8,990 and finance is available from just less than £40 a week, depending on deposits. And as I'm sure you're aware by now, we are working on an appointment-only basis. So if you would like to come and view, you will need to book in. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. That covers our garage here in Ross, and also the garage in Hereford, which is next to the train station, HR1 1EN. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, specific technical specs, insurance groups and the like, please do have a look at the website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely all-round car. Treat yourself for the winter. Thanks a lot.